Welcome to Poshier. I'm Matthew, and I'll be showing you how to create and edit tables in this video. Let's start by tapping the Dine In button at the bottom. In order to access this feature, you must sign in as an administrator. By default, the account you sign up with is already an administrator. Tap the Edit button to enter the edit mode. Drag the handle on the table edge to resize the table and drag the middle to move it around. Tap the table to bring up the Edit menu. This menu allows you to update your table information. Tap Save to save your changes and tap the tick button to save the floor plan. To add a new table, tap the Add button at the top right and fill in the table information and select a table shape and size. Tap Save. Move the new table to a new location and then tap the tick button to save the floor plan. That's it. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.